Alright guys, so we're on the road. We're at the park road right now. The mission today is to get some bike. So them not own the place. I'm gonna put on my mask. I forgot that I need to put on my mask when I'm going into. But as I said guys, the mission today is to get some bike. Because we're starting a new business.
Oh, yeah. Alicia, Amor, how you made me feel. Can I make this real?
So, yeah, I'm not really dressed up today because I don't know. But I check out the bags, check out the prices of the bags, and then when I get time to talk to you guys and tell you a little bit more of the business that I'm doing. Tell you guys a little bit more about the business. You asking? Tell me about the bike that I get.
Special right now. 157.
What the difference between the 135 and the 230?
150, 230?
Yeah.
It's a bigger bike.
Oh, the bigger bike.
The bigger CC, more gear, more faster than the 150.
Yeah, I record everything to your camera. Alright. So, is that for 100 how much?
67.
167. And the smaller one,
135.
135.
Or the 150.
Alright guys, searching for bikes that are reasonable cost is so hard. Anyways, we are at another location. I never really vlog everywhere that we went, to be honest, because it was just too much. And I'm tired. So we're at another place. If you never hear what me did I say, I'm starting a new business. It's kind of like a courier service, and I'm trying to get some bikes. Yes, guys. So it's just been hard because the first place that I went to, that's the place I was expecting to get the bikes at, but they didn't have the one that I was looking for. They had another one that I could have gotten, but I didn't want it to be so big for the purpose of what I'm doing it for, and I'm getting a few. So as a result of that, I didn't want to get that one either. So I'm at another place. This place is called, I don't know, Eagle or something like that. So I'm going to check to see if they have anything that I like, that I'm looking for this particular service, and I'm going to check back in with you guys and see what's going to happen. I think this place is more expensive, but they do have the ones that are supposed to be used for the purpose. However, it's a little bit more expensive. And they actually have red, and I like red. I love red. Suits my name. Kind of thing that I'm going for. They actually have the red. So if we could get a deal, that would be great, but I'm not sure what's happening. And they have black too. So I like the red. I like the black. So we're gonna try and see if we can make out a deal. What is the difference between that one and the first? Is it because if I'm gonna pay more? So the engine is more durable. That's why I know. That's why I'm asking, because I want to be educated on it. That's why I'm asking.
Picking up.
Oh, for the doorway?
Right.
You're a bike rider?
Yeah.
What's the difference between the dark and the blue one?
Which one?
The other. What do you call it? Young chef?
Better quality. If you want to verify it, I'm saying you could ask vibrant.
So that's why I'm asking this biker.
Oh,
You don't know, you just know how to ride the bike.
on the mind.
On the biker, oh, top, right there.
But them ride alright still, you know. Depends on how they ride.
Guys, we're at this place, Eagles, and it's on, what is this? It's the Waltham or whatever. So, trying to decide if I'm gonna get these bikes right here. I don't know what's gonna happen. I guess this is what it's like when you're about to start a business. You're stressed out. It's been a long and hefty day, just trying to. Basically, what's happening here? Trying to get deals, because if you're gonna buy more than one item, you want to get it at the best deal possible, you know. So basically, just the whole driving around to different places. I guess you could call, but I don't know why I chose to drive around. I should have probably just called the different places. Just trying to get some deals at the end of the day. Good deals. So I will update you guys and tell you guys what's gonna happen. And every time I face, y'all can tell I'm tired. Alright guys, so it is day 2. Hold on. Let me turn this down. I'm actually watching Alicia Ashley. I've actually been obsessed with Alicia Ashley's video. As a matter of fact, I need to say this. I've been loving a lot of YouTubers for Vlogmas. I mean, outside of Vlogmas, I love you guys. But like, I've been obsessed with the new YouTubers. Chad Lucci is literally becoming like one of my favorite YouTubers right now. I love his content. I love his editing. I just love his overall, as Tasha feels what I say in husbandish, but that not for me, you know what I'm saying, not for me. But I'm just saying, I just love Chad's overall content. You know, he's really doing good on YouTube, and I just want to say big up to you, Chad. I see you doing great things on YouTube. I love your content. I've also been enjoying Tavia's YouTube. I've been enjoying Quiet Perry's YouTube. Rush Cam, you know, and I don't know, Petit is one of my faves from a long time. But these new YouTubers, Sing Zima, Gypsy, and Mel, big up on yourself, guys. Y'all are doing great on YouTube. Me enjoying the content. Y'all keep me entertained like every single time on a post, and I'm enjoying so much of you guys that if one don't post one day, another one posts, I have content for days. At least when I have the time to watch, I try to keep up. I try for binge watch. So you guys are doing excellent. I just want to put that out there. Anyways, as I was saying, it's now day 2 of me going to search for bikes for this new business that I'm trying to start up. As I was telling you guys in yesterday's clip, I think I decided today that I'm just gonna go ahead with the bikes. The issue of me not getting the bikes yesterday was, one, I was trying to visit as many places that I can to see if I could get them on a budget. When you're starting up a new business, especially when it has to do with investing in something, you want to make sure that you're shopping around and seeing if you can get like good prices. You don't want to just jump on the first place you see and get something. So what I was doing yesterday was basically shopping around to see if I could get something at a more reasonable price, especially because I'm buying a few, and especially because I am buying it for the purpose of making money. Definitely want to get things on a budget, you know, at the lowest price that you can. So yesterday I did that, and I was kind of undecisive on what I wanted to do. There was one place that I went. I loved the color of the bags because I mean it went well with what I'm going for, the color scheme that I'm going for my logo and everything for this new business. And so I was definitely into getting it. It was the year of the bags were 2021 and stuff like that, and I just loved how they were, you know, how them look overall, you know. I have a little thing that I'm going for. Somebody just love how them they look. But the thing that turned me off, she was telling me that the papers wouldn't be ready until 2 weeks time if I got them. So therefore, if I got them and I had to wait 2 weeks, it would mean that I wouldn't be able to register the bags, I wouldn't be able to insure the bags, I wouldn't be able to do any of that. So it was kind of a turn off for me, but I decided that, you know what, it's not a big deal if I did go ahead and get it anyway, because I still have a lot of things to do in preparation before I can even roll out the company the way how I want it to. So I think I'm gonna go to 2 more places before I make up my mind, but just to see if I can get it at a cheaper deal. But I think I'm going to go ahead and just get them today. Yeah, there's so many other things that I have to do so before I start this business the way that I want it to be started. So if you guys want to see the process of this, then I can definitely document that. Well, that's what I'm doing anyway, you know, because I know there's a lot of persons out here that wants to start new businesses, and they just want to know what the process is like. I don't know, I'm doing a few businesses, but I'm just kind of documenting this one for now. I'll tell you guys about the other one further down the line, one step at a time. So yeah, so I'm gonna try and see if I can just pick up the bags today. And what else? There's so many other things that I need to do. I need to register the business, you know, I need to register the bikes. As well, y'all won't get that content today because, as you know, if I end up paying for the bike at the place that I went to, then I'm gonna have to wait 2 weeks, as she said, for the paperwork, which means it's gonna take me 2 weeks before I can register or license and register the bikes. So yeah, there's a whole lot of stuff that I need to get. I need to get bags, delivery bags, I need to get raincoats, I need to get branding shirts, I need to get my logo completed so that I can make business cards. There's a lot that I need to get done, so you guys can just continue to come with me on the journey as I try to see if I can get this thing going. Hopefully everything is completed before 2021 and I can start, or hopefully I finish everything and I can roll out for 2021. Anyways guys, the next time you see me, I'll definitely be on my way to the shop. So see you guys in my next clip. Shop all your cute masks at the mask shop JA. Okay? Okay? All your cute masks. Because I have the woman yesterday. I wonder if she go on the business today. We're glad to come back because she was not a good, she never offered no great customer service yesterday. There's so much bite them fit up since yesterday till today. Them my work, man. They have different colors too. But I love the red because red represents more. Yes, really. Yeah. Alright. So we are back at the bike shop. I guess we're gonna do this one. Go! I pray upon it. I pray for my comeback. I pray for my comeback. Well, you know me, that come back. As I know I'm never gonna come back.
Come back, man. Just to me say yesterday when you were happy, you could conscience and say,
Yeah. Morning. Hello, problem. So let's see what we're going to guys. feel away. That's why I said, I feel away. I feel away. So excited.
Quick meet by a friend can tell you.
And I was so mad at her yesterday. When we're going to tell her why. So I am no, she says she's miserable too, so I'm not alone. You think I'm the only person in the world that's miserable? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm not alone.
Alright?
You don't win here, I do. Alright, so
Did you tell me the color that
the red.
Yeah. And then forget yesterday was to tell you that we have it in jump and we have it in this.
What is the difference?
The this use, you might know about the this use this part at the back while the jump is breaking. For carrying load, the people prefer to use the jump one for load. So basically it is like load.
Yeah, it will have load, but not that much load.
So I don't know if you want the jump or the this.
You said the drum is 3,000 less. You said when you're carrying load, people rather to use the drum.
Yeah, like it's like in Westmoreland where they use the bike taxi.
Oh no, it's not going to be that much of a
because of the load why they prefer the jump.
No, it's not going to be that type of load.
Oh well.
So just work with the lift.
I say you want red.
I can go and look if there's any other color, but I think red for me. Red is my color.
We have orange. That's orange.
No. Red.
Yellow.
Red.
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 Alright.
Alright. I'm going to double check and check the colors to make sure. I saw you with a black yesterday, a full black.
We have black. Another black are. Are you saw them pop up?
Yeah. Maybe we're for the
But
red.
the red, I think the red is
The red is me anyway, and the red will match the logo and everything. So yeah.
I want to have a final look.
I know it's red. It's the red for me.
Alright, so I'm going to give you a manual seat.
Alright, so come back, guys. Alright guys, so I've completed the first part of this mission. I just purchased the bikes. I got a few bikes and I'm so excited! Alright, so I was trying to do a thumbnail. However, alright guys, so oh my lips. Alright guys, so I just purchased the bikes and I'm super excited for this new business venture. Guys, if you didn't know, me is a business person. I always do different business. The thing about it is I never actually come over here, guys, and tell you guys about the things that I'm doing, like business wise or anything. So it's Vlogcember, and a lot of the times I'm telling you guys that I'm busy, but I never tell you guys really and truly what I'm ever busy doing. So I just decided to share this with you guys. So as I say, if you don't want to know what as the journey continues, if you guys want to know a little bit more of what I'm doing, the process and everything, wanna just comment, let me know what I do, you know, just let me know what you're feeling, what you're thinking, what you want to know and stuff like that, and I'll be sure to tell you guys. So the first step is over with purchasing the bikes, and these bikes are some new bikes, 2021 bikes, and the company just got them, so therefore it's gonna take a while for me to get the paperwork for the bikes. However, that's fine. I'll wait, because as I was explaining to you guys earlier, I have more things that I need to do before I can even put this out anyway. So the next thing that I want to go do is register this business, because as I told you guys before, that it's a new business that I'm starting up and everything. So make sure, guys, if you are doing a business, no matter how small the business is, go and register your business, make it official. You know, it's not expensive to register a business. It's just a few things that you need to register a business. So whenever you are operating any form of business, if you have an aim of making that business into a profitable business, if you have any aim of making that business into something that you want to see making you money, you know, if you intend for that business to be a longevity business, go and register your business. So I'll probably put that in a next vlog, registering a business and the process, the cost, and what it's like. You know, hopefully it can help out anybody, any of you guys that is thinking of registering a business and you don't know what to do, you don't know how to start. I'll put that in the next vlog, the process of registering a business. Actually, I have 2 businesses to register right now, and I don't know if I'm gonna do the both of them one time. I probably will. Come, just can't bother to go back down to the registration place. If you know me at all, I don't like long lines. I honestly wish I could do everything online, because me don't like long lines. I don't like to go into business places and sit down and wait for people to call numbers or call names or anything like that. So me not like that. I wish people could have do everything online, so you wouldn't have to go in a business place or not like that. But unfortunately, in Jamaica, we're not really so developed yet with all of them someday. So I'll keep you guys updated and posted and what's going to happen. Right now I'm hungry and I want some food, and I think that's probably what I'm gonna do next. Get some food, because I'm hungry. I'm always hungry. And I'm broke. I can't feed myself right now. So I'm gonna depend on my lovely friend to buy me lunch, because I am broke. What time you treat me there every day? I'm not video. This is not rough.
It's not real life.
Not real life. I'm gonna do this again? Okay, yes. Let's buy some food. I guess we have to do this again. Let me know if you guys ever go to Burger King or any fast food restaurant and order orange soda. Watch the man. Mama. Some orange, yeah.
Okay, we have over there right now. And the week over there.
Because this lady just gave me 3 cups of orange juice when I ordered orange drink. When I ordered orange juice. And I just want to know, who the hell goes to a fast food restaurant and orders orange drink? Soda. Not that. Just that. Let me know who makes your favorite fries from a fast food restaurant. Is it KFC, Burger King, or Wendy's, or what's the other one? KFC, Burger King, Wendy's, KFC's got sometimes KFC's make some damn good fries, like a shrimp and a potato. Alright guys, so my next location, kinda buy, they wanna leave the car something them to make it easier, so I don't have to always, you know. Ooh, I never used to like burger, fun fact. I still don't like burgers, to be honest, unless it's chicken burger, but I don't know, but it just feels for a burger, so I don't know guys, something just like drop it anyway. I'm super hungry. I'm going to buy them. I'm gonna finished eating my Burger King. I shouldn't be eating it because I'm gaining so much weight, especially in my stomach area. I shouldn't be drinking sodas because I'm trying to cut off the sugar. Like, I'm trying to stop myself from eating like so many sugary stuff. You know, I'm slowly just trying to change my diet. I'm trying to eat a lot healthier, you know, less sugar, less of these fatty ass stuff. Overall though, I don't really eat a lot of fast food. A lot of the times when I come on the vlog, I'll be eating fast food, because the only time you really catch me eating fast food is when I'm out on the street and I'm out and about and I'm hungry and I just want something on the go, then I'll get some fast food. But overall, I really like to cook. I am somebody that loves to cook. You feel me? So I don't really eat fast food a lot, so I'm not gonna say that I eat a lot of fast food. But I don't know if I cook me, I cook too much. I don't know if I eat me, I eat too much. But my stomach I get big, my face was getting fat. I don't mind a little chubby cheeks, you know, give a face some flavor. But when your stomach is getting big and your sides are overhanging, that's not cute. I'm thinking I might start the gym. I don't know. I don't know. But I'm thinking I might start the gym. But when I don't know the thing already, if I do that, y'all are definitely gonna see what happens. I'm gonna carry you guys along. Yeah. Well, I should not eat this. I get too fat. No, I'm not getting fat. I'm just getting fat in the wrong places because my food them not getting my weight. It's on my stomach and my hands. Like when I get fat, them get big. I eat that. I eat that for me. So currently I'm on the hill. I'm at a friend's house. I'm still sitting in the car because I'm hungry. I just want to eat before I come out. I might go do some painting. And the next vlog, I might be in the same clothes. Because this is a vlog to itself about what I'm going to do now. So, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a cousin, auntie, uncle, nephew, niece, sisters, brother, in-laws, boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, husband. Just tell somebody. Share my videos in your WhatsApp stories, in your WhatsApp group. Tag me on Instagram. Just help your girl to get out there, you know. This is kind of a one-man show most times. I don't really hang out with a lot of people, so I don't really have a lot of people to put on my channel. I oftentimes want to do collaborations, but to be honest, a lot of these YouTubers, when they pass a certain amount of subscribers, they don't feel like they want to do collaborations. That's some weird people like Quiet Perry, because Quiet Perry is huge on YouTube, and he's also still in the process. He's also trying to grow for himself, and he's taking it up on himself to just like help younger YouTubers. So I have to respect him for that, you know. And he's been putting on a lot of younger YouTubers and helping them to grow. And I feel like that is what it's about. Each one help one. Like if a YouTuber reach out to you to do a collab, I don't think you should look on the amount of subscribers the YouTuber has and how much and if it's going to benefit you, because you and yourself should know how hard it is to gain a lot of subscribers. And it's not to say you're not gonna make them work, but if you check out their channel and you see that they're consistent and you see that they're grinding and you see that they're serious, then I don't think you should have a problem with doing a collaboration. If you check out them content and you like what they're doing and you see that them consistent and you see them working hard, it shouldn't be a problem to try. It shouldn't be a problem to try and help. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know what's wrong with some of these YouTubers. As I say, when them get to a few thousand subscribers, them just get hyped. You reach out to them. I don't really, me personally, I don't really reach out too much of them, you know, because me can't take shame. That's a fact. So I don't care how long it takes for me to grow. I'm gonna just go and do my little thing by myself. If somebody reach out to me, I don't have a problem, because to me, each one help one. My mindset is just built differently, but you can't tell people what to think and you can't tell people what to do. But I just don't like when you reach out to them and them depend them thing. Like I've had one YouTuber told me, like, how is it gonna benefit me? When them tell me that, they just say, oh, stay in your lane, girl. Stay in your lane, boo. So that's one of the reasons why I don't do a lot of collaborations, in case you guys were wondering, because it takes guts to reach out to these YouTubers, because them don't always want to help you. And me, I don't need that shame, boo. I'm good over here. You see me? So I'm not like that YouTube crazy fear take shame from people. No, boo. I'm just go and take my time and work and do my thing. So this is a one-man show until I meet people where like want to work with me or don't have a problem to do collaborations, because for me it's just about a vibe. A video is a video, it's about a vibe, and it's about an energy. And you might bring somebody for your channel, and the people where you bring for your channel don't like the person and them not gonna subscribe. And you might bring the person for your channel and the people them like energy, you know what I mean, and they subscribe. And even if 1,000 subscriber me have or 2,000 subscriber me have, like, you being on my channel with your thousands of subscribers, maybe the 500 or 1,000 people on my channel might like you, and there you go, boops, 500 were on my subscriber them. But a lot of the times they feel as if the people that are subscribed to you must know about them already and must subscribe to them because they're bigger than you. That's not always the case, boos. So I respect Quiet Perry. I love Sing Sigma. I love Gypsy and Mel. I love Tavian. I am Sash, girl. I am Sash. I think Sash have a personality like mine, so I love her. And Chad Lucci is, as I say, he's becoming one of my favorite YouTubers right now. Who else am I loving right now? And I'm talking about local YouTubers. I'm not even talking about the foreign one yet. Who else am I loving? Somebody else. Oh, Chad's sister Drew, I love your personality. So big up on yourself. I love what I do. Yeah, I love what you guys are doing. Anyways, guys, I'm going. People are coming. I think this is where I'm gonna close the vlog. I feel like I have a lot of content, a lot of vlogs to edit and stuff, so I'm gonna try to make the video short, maybe 15 minutes. Some days you might get some long vlogs. But I'm gonna close today's vlog, and I think I'm gonna continue on with the business venture. You know, giving you guys, updating you guys with what's happening and stuff like that. See you guys in my next video.